Today we're going to be learning about how to create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel 2016. There's different ways to do this, and so we're going to go over a couple of them. First step here is to press Control N. Make sure that you have Microsoft Excel selected and that your title up here is white, that you do not have your Jasperactive selected, and press Control N. This opens up a new workbook, and if your window stops where the Jasperactive directions is, then you don't have to do step 2. Step 2 says that if your book is maximized, you need to press the restore down button, and to do that you would need to move your Jasperactive directions down, and notice that when this is maximized you have a restore down button. And so for me, that was already like that, to where the window stops where our Jasperactive directions are on the right. And so you probably did not need to do anything here. It just wants you to have your book to where the directions still show on the right. It wants us to also notice that the Windows taskbar, that's a good important word to know. This is the Windows taskbar, this bar here at the bottom with our time, our list of programs, and our start button. It wants us to notice that when we hover over the Excel icon, it shows us both documents that we have open. All right, I'm going to click Mark as Answered and move on to Task 2, using workbook templates. It wants us to click File, and once again, this is the Office Backstage view, and we're going to click on New. It says here, in addition to the blank workbook, which we've previously opened, we also have several other options available. If you don't see this, maybe try clicking Open and then head back to New to see if these load up. And it wants us to click one of the templates. It does not matter which one you click, but go ahead and click one. And it wants us to click Create to open up this template. And this is a template that has some directions at the beginning, and the actual template is right here. This is an example of how you can save time. Let's say you needed to create a list of things and you didn't want to have to do it to where it looks this nice and nifty. You could get a template in order to save time. Once you've opened up a template, go ahead and click Mark as Answered, and let's move on to the third task, using online templates. We're going to click File. Once again, we're going to click New. And we're going to actually type budgets because we're trying to create a budget. And instead of looking through things that maybe don't apply to us, like a calendar or an attendance roster, we're just going to search for budgets. So click on budget, click Enter after you type budgets. It says here, all available templates in the website that are related to what our search key are, what we searched is now displaying. A quick glance at the vertical scroll bar, you'll notice right here, shows us that there are many templates available for us to use. We also have a category panel on the right to filter and find templates that are best suited for what we're looking for. So on the category on the right, we're going to click on Budgets, and then we're going to click on Business. This narrows down the templates from a long list to 32 different options, 16 and 16. And it says here in the category panel on the right, it says here on step 4, click one of the available templates. So you can click on any one of these. I'm going to click on this business expense budget. I'm going to click Create. And once you get this one open, once again, some of them tell you a little bit about the template, and there's different sheets here at the bottom, which we'll learn about later on. This is how you can use Excel to save time and use templates that are available. As soon as you've done that, you can click Submit, and hopefully this was an easy peasy 100. See you in the next module.